Hello everyone, this is Cyberx Secure Google Cloud Access. Let me tell you a little bit about this series and what you can find inside. Secure Google Cloud Access is actually all about showing you how to control access to the Google Cloud resources for our principals, for our identities, for our users. And specifically what we will talk about in this series is gonna be, well, I'm gonna start with an introduction. I wanna discuss the differences between the identities and accounts. And this is also where we will talk about cloud identity system, which is, as we will see, what we use to control our accounts within the organization, one of the methods. And next, we will talk about Google Cloud IAM, Identity and Access Management. And this is where I'm gonna tell you what IAM actually is and what it can do for us. We will also talk about the different building blocks of a Google Cloud IAM. Next, we will move on and talk about policies. We will start with a discussion on how policies affect access, how we can control them, and what are the differences between the policy types, like allow, deny, and PAB. And next, I'm going to show you a demonstration. We will see how to use those policies, how to control access in a live system, and then we will talk about service accounts and finish this course with monitoring and troubleshooting tools. I hope you guys enjoy this course and go ahead, join me in this series. I'm pretty sure you will like it. Thanks for watching and let's get started.